Good day, and welcome to this quick SigmaNEST tutorial. Today I will be taking you through how to create a new job. Firstly, I will click on my new job dropdown and ensure that I have the appropriate company for the job I want to create. If you do not have that company listed as of yet, go to New Company, and note that any field that is highlighted in yellow is a required information field. Anything in white is completely optional. Now, by simply clicking on New Job, I can then click on the ellipse to load my customer or company. Again, anything in white is completely optional at this point. Now by clicking OK and OK, now I have started my new job. Thanks for watching.